Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session I will share with you again new project where we are going to create people counter. So we have here a video file, and in that video file there is a zone and people are basically moving in one zone to another zone, and I have created my own custom model which basically detect the person top angle, means person head, and then we will create the counter using ByteTrack. So the project name is basically multi-zone people counting using YOLO, the custom object detection model, plus ByteTrack. So this is the project folder. I will mention the project folder link inside my description box, the buy me coffee link. You can simply purchase it, and if you are from India, simply GPay me. After GPay you have to mention your Gmail address. I will send the project folder on your Gmail ID. So this is what our today's project, multi-zone people counting using YOLO, means the custom model which I have created, and the ByteTrack. So I have already downloaded the project folder. This is what the project folder, people counting zip. Right click and then just click on extract all. Once you purchase the project, you will simply get the zip format folder, then just extract it. So go inside the project folder. So now first let me show you the video file, then you will get the idea. Okay, so as you can see, this is basically our video file where we have basically a zone. So this is what the first zone and this is what another zone. So the concept is what, with the help of our own model, custom object detection model, we are going to detect the person top head. So this is the top head. As you can see, all person, they wear a green color helmet. So we will detect all the helmet, as you can see. So I have created my own model. I have shared the model inside the project folder, so you will get the detection of this head, the helmet, green color helmet. And then now our concept is what, we want to create the counter, like we want to know which person is basically coming from which zone. So I have created here three zone basically in project, in code basically. So this is what my first zone, so the person is basically coming from this side, they all going this side. Okay, so this is what our first zone, and this is what our second zone. So this is the first zone, then this is the second zone, and all first and second zone person is basically going out from this, for this side basically. So I have draw the line using cv2.line method. I have draw the line. So line will be here. So this is what my area 1, this is what my area 2, and here this is what my area 3, or let's just say this is what area 3. So the flow is like this way, here to out and here to out. So we want to know which person is basically coming from this area to this main area and this area to this area. So this is basically my main area, and A1 and A2 is basically other area. So we can say this is the main zone and this is the buy zone. Okay, so A1, A2 and M is basically the main or middle. So the concept is what, we have our own model, best.pt model. So we will detect basically the person head, that's it. Then we will use the tracker, we will use here ByteTracker. So with the help of ByteTracker, we will get unique ID for each person. Each person we will get the unique ID. So now we know that this person has this ID, this person has this ID, and this person has this ID. So we know that this person has, suppose let's just say this person has 1 is the ID and this person has basically 2 is the ID. So we will save this person ID inside the dictionary along with their center point, because we are detecting the object. So we have rectangle coordinates. So now we have the rectangle coordinates. So with the help of x1 y1, x2 y2, we will get the cx and cy, which is the center point of the object. So when we have center point, we know that we are detecting the object, there is a rectangle and there is a center point. So what we will do, we have now ByteTrack. So as I mentioned, each person we have track ID. So we will save the track ID along with their center point inside the dictionary, and then we will create our function. So when the person center point touch the line or on the line, we will increase the counter. So when this person cross this area, what we will do, we will save that particular track ID and the center point when this person touch the line in again new dictionary, and we will call at like A1. So inside A1 now we have the flow from this area to this area. So now when this person cross this line and same person cross our main line, because we are tracking, so we now say that when this person touch the line, and if this person track ID and their current point inside our A1 dictionary, and the same person means same track ID and center point touching the line, the main line, then we can say this person is basically coming from A1 area. So this is what the concept, the same concept we will use for this. If the person cross this line, we will save this person center point and the track ID inside A2 dictionary, and when this person touch the main line, we will say, we will check if the person track ID and center point is basically inside our A2 dictionary, then we can say that this person is coming from this area. So this is the whole concept. We will use the tracker center point. So I have mentioned the HTML explanation file also, so you will get the explanation. So now what we will do, we will simply open, as you can see, as I mentioned, index.html. So this is the whole code explanation, okay, line by line. So I have used here Sony Python IDE, okay. So main.py, I will open Sony Python IDE, and then base.pt is our model. So we will use import cv2, means we have to install the packages. So first package is basically opencv-python, which is our first package for the project. Then click on install button, it will install opencv-python. So now there is a upgrade button, as you can see. So let me upgrade. So it will upgrade the Python, means opencv package. So we have done with opencv upgradation. Now we will install our ultralytics package. So ultralytics package, first package, click on upgrade button, because there is a upgradation. So we will wait for upgrading the ultralytics package. So we upgraded the ultralytics package. Now we need a trackers, okay. So we will search for trackers package, trackers, first package, then click on install button, done. It will install trackers package, okay. Then we need supervision package, so we will search for supervision, first package, click on install button, done. It will install supervision. Then we need cvzone package, so cvzone, hit enter, first package, click on install button, done. It will install cvzone package. So this is how we need opencv-python. If there is a upgrade, highlight upgrade, ultralytics, trackers package, then supervision package and cvzone package. It is really easy to install all the packages using Sony Python IDE. Now we done with all the package installation. So now what I will do, I will start the code, and then you will get the idea. As I explained, I will mention here a 0 because I will freeze the frame, and then I will explain again. So as I mentioned, this is what our video file, this is what our A1 area for this zone, and this is what our A2 area for this zone, and this is the main zone where from this side people touch the line, their center point, as you can see, pink color center point. So when this center point touch the line, we will save this center point and their track ID inside the dictionary. We have here dictionary, as you can see, we have here we have here A1 dictionary. As you can see, A1 dictionary. So inside A1 dictionary we are saving this particular zone track ID, and inside A2 dictionary this particular zone we are saving the center point and track ID inside the A2. So this is the concept. And then we have counter method. As you can see, we have counter method. Now let me show you here one by one. So let's just watch. So right now this person, right now they are in middle, so this person will not get count because this person is already crossed this area and this area. Okay, so watch for this person. Okay, so out A1 is basically this area. So let me show you here. This person when touch the line center point, here it is. As you can see, out A1 means the counter increase, and then same person will touch the line, it will increase over here. Right now there is a 0. Watch this person, because we are saving their track ID. So now we have the track ID and the current position for this particular person. So now we know when this person touch the line. As you can see, this person touch the line, the counter is increased because we saving the ID and the current position inside the dictionary. So we know that this person is cross A1 area, and now same person is crossing our M area, means the middle area. So we will create a counter. So now we can say this person is basically coming from this zone, and now he is going out from the main zone. Same way here. Watch, this person will touch the line. Okay, as you can see, the green color and the counter is increased. Now same this all those person will when touch this line, it will increase the counter. And how we can cross check? Because this counter and this counter we need to match as a same. Now let me start here a while loop. So let's just watch now. 2, 3, the out A1 and out A1 to M, both counter need to be same at the end. Okay. So friends, as you can see, out A2 66, 65, and here 68, 60. So now 60, 66, 66, 66, both counter same, and here also 68, 65, 66, 67, and 68. So counter same, it means we perfectly count A1 to M, A2 to M. Simple. So this is how, with the help of this method, you can know the flow of the object. Simple. So this is what advanced AI people counter using YOLO custom object detection and byte tracker. Okay. So we will meet our next project. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.